Hi, I'm John Dalton. I work for Probat North America. I'm the COO over operations and manufacturing. Yeah, so I started with AC Horn 5 years ago, and then Probat acquired our company. With the offering that Probat has and with the connection and the focus on long-term growth, it just made great sense to stay with such a great company and continue our future together. Yeah, Probat doesn't think about tomorrow. They think about, years and years in the future. They establish really long-term relationships with their customers. They are really invested in the customer experience and their success. So it makes it really easy to come to your, day-to-day and really give your effort, because you know that it's not about today, it's not about tomorrow, but it's about the longevity of our relationship. So we try to spend as much time as we can talking about ideas. We do it better together. We all have different perspectives. We're in different parts of the world. So having a common ability to communicate and come up with the best idea is really, really great. So my counterparts in Germany and in Amsterdam, we spend a lot of time communicating about what we do and how to do it better together. And that translates to the customer. They get the best experience because we're working together to deliver that. So we're building a new factory. It's twice as big as the one we have in Dallas currently. And so it will be our hub in North America. Coffee, food, chocolate, cocoa, snacks, you name it, we're going to do everything there. It's going to be a really interesting time. We've built a really strong team in Dallas. We really wanted to reflect what was happening at the headquarters here in Emmerich, so that the team is really integrated. The team all knows how to pitch in when more effort is needed. So it gives everyone the freedom to take the time that they need to be with their families. So we run a really, really excellent team, and we're really, really happy that we're able to offer that to all of our employees. You'll always learn something new. We're expanding our portfolio all the time. We have a continuous improvement system open to the entire company. We've had 200 improvements achieved in the last 12 months. We take it very serious, the ideas that our team has, and we want to make those realized and turn those into achievable objectives. So if you like having your ideas listened to and executed, Probat's definitely the right place for you. You have not only the product at the machine, you have the machine itself, but you have the team at the customer who's having to service that machine. And so we're thinking about all the people along the way that have to interact with the machine, build the machine, the experience you get from the product. And so we build machines based on all of those characteristics. So no one idea is the right idea. It's a combination of all together. All of our customers send their products to us, so we have a whole room with popcorn, peanut butter, almond butter, chips, pistachios, you name it, we got it.
So what's the best thing about this company?
It's openness and willing to improve. No one here is closed-minded or closed to the ideas of the past. The idea is always, what's the next future, what's the next best thing, and the whole company pushes that direction. So ideas are extremely encouraged. Yeah, so our clients have an expectation and a perspective of us that we're very professional, that we are going to lead the company with a brand and a specific goal in mind that is very customer-centric. People want to work with us because we're focused on their success. We don't put ourselves before them. We put their needs first, and then we figure out how we design and deliver based on what their goals are. I'm very good at seeing where roadblocks are in the future. And so I take it very personally that I want to make sure my team has the best opportunity to succeed. So I'm always looking in the future, trying to remove roadblocks so that they don't have to stop. And so when my team succeeds and I'm able to remove those roadblocks, it feels really good that I was able to provide them a path for them to do what they do so well. When they're not dealing with challenges that are beyond their control and they're able to focus on coming up with the best solution for the right customer, they're able to have their ideas really, really explore more deeply, and they can come up with better solutions. So not fighting the day-to-day challenges, not fighting corporate outside challenges, just focusing on the design, focusing on the customer, and delivering a great result. If we could go faster, that'd be great. But that's always going to be the perspective from an operations person. It's always faster.